How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today I have another coating video, and this is a little bit different. As you read from the title, this is leather coating, and yes, we can coat the interior of the vehicle as well. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and let's start talking about leather coatings. So as you see me cleaning the interior, which is the most important step, we have to thoroughly clean the leather and all the components that are going to be coated. So what is leather coating? Leather coating is where you protect the leather from dye transfer. That is exactly where you are wearing jeans and then you sit inside the car and then you have these dye transfer, especially when you have lighter color leather, like especially in Teslas, they are very much known for dye transfer. And then I have detailed some Denalis as well that are lighter color. And the second of all is dirt sticking to the leather, and especially where your armrest, your steering wheel, where you hold the leather or you put your hands on there, you can actually see this leather coating working. So cleaning all those areas become really easy. Usually when you have to clean leather completely or deep clean leather, you have to steam clean. But if you have your leather coated, which this product, this is CarPro leather coating, which they claim they can give 1 to 2 years of protection if maintained properly. This can work really well for maintenance. That is, you can take a damp microfiber towel and just wipe down the seats and everything just comes off. Before applying leather coating, it is very important that leather must be clean. Now this is a brand new truck. The customer bought it just a month ago. I ceramic coated the exterior the day he bought it, and a month later he came back. He wanted to get maintenance wash on the outside, and he said go ahead and do the interior coating as well. So here the leather is not that dirty. I am just using Express Interior from P&S and wiping down the surface. Usually if I have to clean leather which has been used or a used car, I use steam, and steam cleaning cleans all the leather. It will break down all the body oils, the grime and everything, the dirt on it. And all the tools and the products that I'm using in this detail are listed in the description down below. You can check them out for yourself and you can try out these products, especially this coating. I really enjoy using CarPro coatings. They're very reputable and very durable coatings. So make sure to check out those links and check out these products. So the detailing tip of the video is going to be use soft brushes and soft microfiber towels whenever you're detailing high-end vehicles. GMC Denalis, they have a lot of piano black, big huge screens, and I've seen this in Cadillacs as well. They have a lot of piano black plastics and these surfaces scratch really easy. So I have very soft brushes and microfiber towels that I use in these details. So make sure to get you some of those. It will make your detailing process really easy and hassle-free. Whenever you're cleaning leather seats, I would recommend get these Scrub Ninja pads. They are really amazing. I use these pads for cleaning leather using a steam cleaner as well, and they make the job really fast and they cut down all the dirt and grime on the seats. After cleaning all the leather, now is the time to apply the coating. The process is very simple. All you have to do is take an applicator pad and apply the coating to the area. Make sure whenever you're applying to any of the surface, apply an even application. That is, make sure to cover all the areas. I go in cross-hatch process, that is left and right and up and down. This way I cover all the areas, and make sure to have enough coating on the applicator pad in the initial step because you need to prime the pad. Now if you have been with me in the video for so long, make sure to like and comment at the end of the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe as well. And guys, this way you support the channel. Just like that, guys, this truck was protected from the outside to the inside. The outside was completely ceramic coated and the interior leather was coated as well. So this is how you protect your leather, and for maintenance all you have to do is take a damp cloth and wipe down all the surfaces. This actually cleans off any kind of dirt or body oils or any spills that you have. This would protect the leather. And guys, thanks for watching the video. If you have not watched the exterior detail that I did on this truck, the video is at the end of this video. Make sure to watch the video, like and comment, and let me know what you think. Just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.